Hi, I'm Lola Nora, and today I'm going to be sharing a recipe that was taught by my grandmother. It is a very popular recipe that is eaten throughout the Philippine Islands. We have sweet rice, not your regular rice. We have brown sugar and coconut milk, 2 cans of coconut milk. And for the topping, we're going to be using egg yolk, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, half a cup of condensed milk, and 1 tablespoon of butter. This is the sweet rice that we're going to use for our bibingka or sweet rice cake. It has been soaked in water for 30 minutes and then washed. Now we're going to add the rice, which is a special rice for the sweet rice called bibingka. And we will simmer it for about 30 minutes until it's done. And then when it is done, we will be putting it in a pan lined with banana leaves. I am cooking the sweet rice in coconut milk, and when it comes to a boil, then we lower it to simmer and stir it occasionally so it will not stick to the bottom of the pan for about half an hour, maybe a little longer. The rice cake will thicken, and as it thickens, you have to stir it to make sure it does not get burnt on the bottom. It gets really thick after a while, and if you can take a look at it, it's almost ready. See how thick it is, and it hasn't even cooked 30 minutes yet. Rice and see if it is ready. This is almost ready, so we're going to put 1 cup of sugar and then mix it well. Cook it for another 10-15 minutes. The banana leaves will give it this wonderful taste and aroma. Okay, we're going to make sure that it is level. We're ready to make the topping. We're going to start with 1 egg yolk, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of butter, and half a cup of condensed milk. Mix it thoroughly. And when it's thoroughly mixed, then we put it on top of the rice, adding the topping to the rice cake. And then we're going to put it in the oven for about 20 minutes at 350 degrees. For you to taste.